Hello, this is the National Digital Car Seat Check Form dashboard, and today we are going to be exploring the Table Tool feature. So to get to the Table Tool from the home page, go to the navigation bar and select Table Tool. That will bring you to the Table Tool page where you'll see this widget which allows you to build your own custom tables. And it's very similar to Excel's pivot table if you've ever used that. What it allows you to do is see the total number of car seat checks, and you'll see that that matches the number on the home page here. But with the table tool, you can see the total number of checks broken down by any of these variables listed over here. And to do that, you just select the variable. So you'll click it, drag it, and drop it either into the row position or the column position. And what you get to see is the total number of checks broken down by each one of these age group categories. Something that we've added as of October of 2021 is a new category that collapses all of the non-applicable or missing values into one category. That allows you to do is easily suppress those values if you're not interested in seeing them. You can see here there's a drop-down arrow, and I can click that to bring up this page and deselect this value, click apply, and now that cleans up your table a bit. So keep in mind, if you're no longer using this variable and you bring it back over to this position, that filtering is still applied here. So if you wanted to turn that off, just go back into it, select the value again, click apply. So let's explore another table here. I'm going to select the arrival car seat type variable over into the row position. And I'm also going to suppress the not applicable missing values here. Also going to grab the any misuse variable and bring that over into the column position. And I'm going to do the same with that just to clean it up. And what it allows you to do is generate multi-way tables. So this is a two-way table. And you also see the totals for each one of these individual categories as well. Another feature here is, say you've built this table, but you wanted to apply a global filter to this table, you can still go back to one of these variables. So for example, if I only wanted to see virtual car seat checks, I can click the drop-down arrow here, deselect these values, and now I'm only looking at virtual car seat checks for this custom table that I've created. So I hope this gives you a good example of the types of things you can do with the table tool, and you can see that it's very flexible and may allow you to do things you can't see or do with some of these pre-rendered charts and tables on some of the other pages here. So I really hope you found that useful, and thank you again for using the National Digital Car Seat Check Form dashboard.